Your wearable could be a massive success, or it could literally burn your users. The difference is functional testing. Untested devices cause real harm, leading to recalls and lawsuits. And make no mistake, one single negative experience is enough to drive away a third of your customers for good. Even a product that works perfectly in the lab can fail catastrophically during a marathon or on a hot day. Here, we'll break down why functional testing is the process that separates winning wearables from failed projects. So, what are the core user-facing issues that startups consistently get wrong? It starts with three fundamentals. First, the real world. Sweat, motion, and spotty GPS are not edge cases. They are the primary use case. Second, battery life. Users expect all-day performance. Anything less leads directly to device abandonment. Third, comfort. If a device is bulky or irritating, it will end up in a drawer no matter how good the tech. But physical function is only half the battle. The data itself can be a massive point of failure. Users trust their devices for accurate health metrics, but just how far off can these numbers actually be? The truth is shocking. While heart rate can be fairly accurate, metrics like calories burned can be wrong by 80%. This happens because of variables like where it's worn. A chest strap and a wristband give vastly different results. Worse, collecting masses of inaccurate data is useless. Without testing the full pipeline, you're providing noise. So, how inaccurate can it be? Inaccurate enough to make your product's core feature a liability instead of an asset. These individual failures don't happen in a vacuum. They create a cascade effect that can destroy a startup's finances. Skipping early tests doesn't save money. It guarantees expensive redesigns and delays when you're racing to market. This is called technical debt. Shortcuts now mean every future update is slower and more difficult. Remember the overheating watches? That's the ultimate price of technical debt, a total recall that destroys brand trust. The cost isn't just the recall, it's the permanent damage to your brand's reputation. Investors flee, customers remember. But the risks don't stop at the device. The software and data ecosystem presents a whole new layer of complexity. Your app must work flawlessly on dozens of different iOS and Android phones, both old and new. Bluetooth connections must be smooth and reliable. Constant pairing issues will infuriate your users. And since wearables collect sensitive health data, a security breach isn't a PR problem. It's a legal nightmare. And what happens when your device crosses the line from wellness to medical? The stakes get even higher. Medical wearables need compliance with strict bodies like the FDA. Testing is no longer optional, it's a legal requirement. This includes biocompatibility tests to ensure materials don't leach chemicals into skin with prolonged sweat and friction. The answer to the medical device challenge is the same for all wearables, an integrated, rigorous testing strategy. The technical debt from rushing development directly leads to the data inaccuracies and safety hazards we've covered. The risks are immense, but they are not unavoidable. So how do smart startups turn this risk into an advantage? The solution is to treat testing not as a final step, but as a continuous proactive strategy from day one. This means running rapid usability sessions on the earliest prototypes, validate form and fit before expensive builds. Use automated software testing to manage platform complexity. This lets your team innovate faster and with confidence. In the wearables market, functional testing is the single most important investment for reducing technical risk. Don't let preventable failures sink your startup. Build a culture of testing and turn technical risk into your strength.